Hello all, welcome back to my channel Data Sculptor. Today we are going to see a new AI in the industry which converts text to videos or any content to videos. So this is the AI name is Flicky.ai as you see in the screen. So this is an AI created in order to convert any text to videos or any ideas to videos automatically. So this is the AI URL. I'll paste the URL in the description section. So when you enter the home page, so you can go to account. So here you can see this is a free account. So you can even upgrade to use more features. So currently to explain you, I have taken this free account of standard. So and there are premium as well, which will have additional features. So for now, these are the options you have. So credits. So first free for the standard or the free feature, you'll get only 5 minutes. The video length can be only 5 minutes per month. So till now I have used 3 minutes, so only 2 minutes are pending. So if you want to increase the limit, you need to subscribe to premium. You need to pay some money out of this. And to use this for free, you need not use any credit cards. You can directly log in to app.flicky.ai. So now let's see how to create a video out of an idea. So for that you can go to file section. So these are two sample audio and video files which are already present. So you can also create an audio from an idea. So you have three options when you click on new file. It's video, audio and design. And so for now I'll show you what is the video file. So I'll keep this as 10-day Europe trip. So let's see how this AI gives us a 10-day Europe trip or a itinerary for 10 days. So we want the output language to be in English and it's in United States or whatever dialect you want. You can keep it in India as well. And aspect ratio, I'll keep it 16:9. And I'll start with an idea. So if you see, you can see a script or an idea blog. If you have any blogs or if you see any blogs where you have good content, you can use that. You can use a PPT, you can use a tweets, you can use a product. These are the current features which takes it as an input. So for now let's use idea to understand. So click on submit. So a file will be created, 10-day Euro prep. So here we need to enter the prompt. Please create a 10-day trip or itinerary to Europe. So I'm giving the idea prompt to this AI. This will be taken as an input, and the maximum duration is 1 minute. If you want to increase, you need to upgrade the plan, and maximum to go is for 15 minutes. So for now I'll show you only 1 minute video. And here the stock media, you can use the AI stock media is the sample pictures you'll get it from internet, and AI media is automatically generate. So if you want, you can select anything. For now I'll select cinematic default, and these are templates. If you want, you can select any templates. For now let's keep it blank because we are just creating a sample video. And these are logged features, AI avatar, headings and sound effects. So now I have created an prompt. So now let's see what will happen. So I think you need to select a template. So let's create this. Let's select some template for random use. So we just need to enter the prompt. The video is getting created. So it will take some time to create the video. And meanwhile, if you see, there are other options as well: blog, PPT, tweet or product. Product is from an Amazon site or e-commerce website where you can see a product, and when you enter that product link, it will scan through that entire product and create the video out of it. So for example, you can provide an iPhone 15 review, maybe an iPhone 15 product URL from Amazon or Flipkart or other e-commerce websites, and keep it here. It will create a video on iPhone 15 based on the input present in that Amazon or the e-commerce website. So if you see now, the video got created. If you see, these are the multiple scenes. This is the background music, scene 1, discover Europe. So this is the entire text which will be present in the form of audio, and you have some video clips as well. And if you click this, so the video will be played. So manually, if you want to add something, see. So if you see a 1 minute 27 seconds video is created. So yeah, this is how a video is created. If you want to, yeah, if you can review the video, and manually if you want to add something, you can add a blank scene or a template or whatever you want, with some script if you want, and if you want to add some image out of anywhere, you can add it, and this can be used as editor as well. And you can delete if you want something, or if you want to recreate this, and if you are not happy with this, you can go to more, you can or otherwise if you click on refresh again, it will create a new one. So yeah, it will create again a new one if you are not happy with it. And if you are happy with it, you can just click on the download option, and then the video will be downloaded and you can put it in your YouTube channel or anywhere, so that this can be used to create a video, and you can add it anywhere you want. So hope this helped. I'm creating this one playlist explaining you all the AIs which are available in the market at the moment, and so that it will be helpful for you in future. Stay tuned and keep liking, share and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you. Have a nice day.